All right, welcome to section 7 where we're going to talk about workspaces. So let's jump into this, have a lot of fun with it, and we're going to be talking about inside of the window menu, we're going to go to Workspace. Okay, so we're going to be covering all of these. So we're going to cover all panels, animation, color, default, effects, essential graphics, learn, libraries, minimal, motion tracking, paint, small screen, standard, text, undocked panels. We're also going to talk about how to edit the workspaces, and then we'll go over a summary of what we learned. All right? So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.